All right, so we're here fixing the dining room, right, Rob?
Yep.
We're gonna rip out this door and we're gonna get going. We're gonna fix this dining room wall today. We're gonna rip this out and reframe it. And I ain't happy. Goes to the door.
Yeah.
Rob, hold on. All right, so Rob and I get this wall most of the way out. How's it look, Rob? Pretty bad?
Yep. We got a situation there. Awfully rotted.
Welcome to New England. This is what happens when you use a snow, water, ice all winter long. It's cloudy and it doesn't stop raining. But this was like from 1959. So this is what they did. They just threw some water, some wood in here in the sill, poured the foundation around it, and so we got to take all this rotted sill wood out of here and get this all out. And was it worse than you thought?
A little worse. Yeah.
It's like a lot worse. Yeah. But we'll tackle it. We'll get it done. All right, so we're at the point where we get that old rotted sill out of there from 1959, right, Rob?
Yeah.
So we're going to put some pressure treated back in there and get it all put into place. But we're just stripping out to the good studs, get the roof supported. And I'm going to continue on taking out the wood up there, some of the old rotted wood. So this room was a porch, so we think that with the wood that they had, they probably framed it and poured another thing of concrete on the top. That's what they did back then. So we're going to put some wood under that lip to support that lip again. And going to keep on ripping, right?
Yeah. There we go.
Nice. All right, so I was starting to cut some wood, so we'll show you some tools in action that we've bought. I've got a new Ryobi saw over here. This thing is pretty cool. I just set it all up. It's brand new. I just bought it. So I got this brand new Ryobi. It's a 10-inch miter saw, and it cuts different angles. I've also bought the workbench to go with it. And this whole package for the saw and the bench was like around $400. So here's the box that came in. It's a Ryobi 15 amp cross cut miter saw. I had one, if you probably saw our old videos, I had an old one that was like 15 years old, and it was a Ryobi, and it had just seen better days. So I wanted to get another one. I stuck with Ryobi because I had good luck with them in the past, so I figured we'd try a new one out. Rob's over here. He's almost done redoing the sill plate. We did pressure treated, right, Rob? We overlapped to give it strength, and going along, right?
Going along pretty good now.
This Ryobi saw is pretty nice. I wish I had the setup when we built my deck. You know, we were sick of nailing on the ground, so I got the work stand to go with it. And these are adjustable. The arms go in and out. You can adjust the height and do a quick look at it or walk around it. You can bolt it, the miter saw, right to the workbench. It comes with all these like attachments and stuff. Here's the bag in the back. It's nice because the saw slides. So if you have a piece of wood that's a little thicker, like on my deck, we had 6-inch wide boards. I had to keep flipping the wood over to make the other cut. On this one, you don't. You cut and slide, which is really nice. It speeds up your workload. So the only thing I wish this saw, the miter saw had, this bench had, was a couple of wing nuts that were on top of here. So you could easily hit the wing nuts, spin them off all four corners of this miter saw, and break it down at the end of the day pretty quick. You can throw I think it was a 12 millimeter ratchet wrench on these and zip them off, but a wing nut would have been pretty quick to do. It would have been a little bit easier. I bought this saw at Home Depot. Here comes my father. Now we're in trouble. Hey, you're just in time for pizza. He's gonna smash the shit out of us with that cane. So here's my father. He showed up on the job site, and if you want to see a guy that could build a mean-ass hot rod, it's this guy. It's an 83-year-old auto body guy, right, Dad?
Yep.
So he started off with lead. There was no Bondo.
Nope, no Bondo, just pick and file.
So this is inspector number 1. So it's getting a little dark out. This Ryobi miter saw has a light on it too. It's kind of cool. You can see a lot better with it.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Yeah, it's kind of nice.
I like it.
So, and that is going to wrap up my day 2 of my dining room wall rebuild. So tomorrow we're going to start like doing some more framework, put the windows and door in, and do a whole bunch of other stuff.